So it's really the question, can we build iPhones in America, essentially?
Correct.
Yeah, and it's a totally fair question, and I'm so scathing about it. So let me just preface it by saying, like, ideologically, I mean, I would love if iPhones could be built in America, but there's probably 20 good reasons why they can't be. And just a few of them would be the obvious things, like our wages are much, much higher. We're just not competitive versus the Chinese. The Chinese also have a density of population that we're just not going to match. So Zhengzhou, known as iPhone City, that has 500,000 people working on iPhones. There was someone in the media recently saying that would be like if everybody in the city of Boston gave up what they were doing just to assemble iPhones. And it's actually worse than that, or more difficult than that, because the floating population of seasonal workers in China move from one town to another in order to actually get all this done. And that's not something we're going to replicate. And then even like philosophically, this isn't really what we want to be doing. We don't have the same like Nietzschean will to power to do nothing but manufacturing. I mean, China really has put all their eggs in the basket of manufacturing against all sorts of economic advice of rebalancing their economy and that sort of thing. So like, we're just not going to be competitive in any way, shape, or form. And a 25% tariff basically doesn't change that at all.